We are still learning how to run virtual conferences, but our approach to running this one has been informed by UKICER this year. In this video, I'll explain what a typical presentation session looks like and how we expect things are going to work. First of all, let's run through the channels that we have. The top channel is your information and announcements channel. This is where we'll put important links and notifications throughout the conference. It will be something like a notice board. The next channel is the help desk. If you're having any problems with Discord or the conference setup, or have any general questions, pop them into the help desk channel and one of the organisers will address you as soon as possible. Next is introductions. When you have a minute, pop a message in here to introduce yourself, perhaps a little bit about what you do or what you're hoping to get out of the conference. The last text channel which isn't categorised is the main stage text channel. This will be used to post questions during the presentations which can be posed by the session chair. We then have a number of discussion tables. Each table has two channels, a voice and video channel, which is where we expect most of the table discussion to take place, and a text channel, where summaries of the table talks and continued discussion can be put. Next, there are chat spots. There's a text channel which you can use for general chit-chat throughout the conference or to coordinate social meetings. The rest of these channels are voice and video channels, which you could pop into to have a chat with people. In the posters category, there is a poster info thread which has some important details and links about each of the posters being presented. Then there's a voice and video channel for each poster. At scheduled times throughout the conference, presenters will be in these rooms sharing their screens and ready to talk to you. The last category is for workshops. There's an info channel, much like the one for posters, with details about the workshops taking place. There's also a discussion thread for people to put comments into during and after each workshop, but the main discussion will happen in the workshop voice and video channel. Now that we know what Discord looks like, let's talk about presentation sessions. Presenters will be registered as panelists on the Zoom webinar alongside the session chair, meaning that they will be able to speak and screen share. Everyone else will be attendees, just like at a regular conference main stage. Either live or with a video, the presenters will share their work. Once a paper has been presented, the session chair will advise everyone to break out into a Discord discussion table. The discussion will mostly be through the voice and video channel. At this point, the authors may also want to float around the tables while you're discussing. After about 10 minutes of discussion, any outstanding questions should be put to text and put into the main stage text channel. We will all return to the Zoom webinar and the session chair will select and read out questions which the presenters will have an opportunity to answer. After about 5 minutes of Q&A, the next presentation will begin. Between presentation sessions there will be break times. Use these breaks to stretch your legs and refresh yourself, but we also recommend that you spend some time in our chat spots or poster sessions. Aside from keynotes and presentations, the other kind of session is for workshops. These will happen through the workshop voice and video channel and will largely be directed by the workshop conveners. At a high level, that's how the conference and each session is going to run. In our next video, we'll share some advice on getting your audio-visual set up just right.